Inside this factory, giant jackfruits become clean, ready-to-eat fruit packs. From thorny giant fruit to sealed fresh packs, every step is controlled. The process starts with mature giant jackfruits, chosen for firm, sweet arils.
Damaged or immature jackfruits are removed before the factory ever sees them.
Cooling slows ripening before the fruit reaches the processing line. Receiving checks confirm the fruit before processing begins.
Only sound fruit moves forward because the pack is eaten fresh. Sweetness and maturity are checked before the fruit is released.
Now the giant fruit enters the factory line. The rind is cleaned first, so the edible arils stay protected later.
Clean whole jackfruits are approved for the first cut.
The first controlled cut opens the giant fruit without crushing the edible pods.
Operators remove the core first so the sweet arils can come out intact.
The edible arils must stay whole, clean, and firm.
Each aril is opened carefully because the ready-to-eat pack must be seedless.
A gentle rinse removes sticky residue without bruising the fruit. Drying prepares the seedless arils for precision sorting. Optical sorting removes defects too small for fast human inspection. The cleaned arils are chilled to protect freshness before packing. Safety checks happen before the fruit reaches the retail tray. Measured portions now move toward the final ready-to-eat pack. Each tray receives one controlled portion of seedless jackfruit arils.
A clean rim is required for an airtight fresh fruit seal.
Heat and pressure lock freshness inside the ready-to-eat jackfruit trays.
Every sealed tray is checked before it leaves the packing line.
Final weight confirms the portion stayed correct after sealing.
Visual inspection protects both freshness and shelf appearance.
The label is placed while keeping the fruit visible to shoppers.
Seal strength is tested, so the pack opens cleanly but stays closed in transit.
Finished trays are now ready for boxed cold chain distribution.
Each carton is checked before the cold chain closes around it.
case weight confirms the finished packs are boxed correctly.
The boxed fruit packs stay cold from this point forward.
Wrapped pallets protect the ready-to-eat jackfruit packs during cold transport.
Finished packs wait under controlled refrigeration until dispatch. Dispatch verifies the cold chain shipment before loading. The finished, ready-to-eat jackfruit packs leave the factory under refrigeration.
The same sealed jackfruit packs are prepared for the retail shelf.
Whole giant jackfruits have become chilled, ready-to-eat jackfruit fruit packs.